you or your partner struggling with snoring? Snoring can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to various health issues. To prevent snoring, it is important to maintain a healthy weight in order to reduce throat tissue that can block airways. Sleeping on your side, rather than your back, can prevent your tongue from falling back and narrowing the airway. It is recommended to avoid consuming alcohol and sedatives before bedtime, as they relax muscles and obstruct breathing. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can help keep airways moist. Additionally, try elevating your head with a pillow to improve airflow. By implementing these strategies, you may be able to reduce or even eliminate snoring, leading to a more restful night's sleep.